What's up, everybody? Wanted to give y'all a quick little update. Snow has started here in Kentucky, but where we're at anyway. About 15-20 minutes ago, I'd say. It went down pretty good. Not big flakes, but it's pretty chilly out here. It's about 19 degrees. So anyway, just giving y'all a little update of the storm as it's happening. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. I ain't figured this one out though. Pulled that thing in there. The front of it's covered. The back of it's not. I don't even know. Anyway, y'all have a good night. We will update y'all in the morning.